Teachers deal with PDFs constantly, curriculum documents, research papers, or readings for students. They're important, but reading every page, then figuring out what students actually need from those PDFs can take a lot of time. With AI tools like Edcafe AI, you can upload a PDF and then let AI do the heavy lifting to pull out the most important info and summarize the document to clear, readable points. You can easily then share these points and summaries with students for their own review. So let me show you how to get these summaries in under a minute. First, we're going to go to the website edcafe.ai, log in, sign up, and create your account. And once you're inside, we'll click on Create New. From here, you'll see lots of different tools, but today our focus is here on Summary Note. From there, you can go ahead and you see you can add topic, text, web page, but we're to work on PDFs here, so now we'll just click to upload. And from there, you can find your PDF in your desktop. And then you can add in any additional instructions. So this is where you can be as specific as you want to your classroom. You can add in your student level, you can adjust the PDF to specific standards that you want to align to, or include any special instructions like reflection questions at the end. So we have some additional instructions to turn our Deep Sea PDF into a student study guide for grades 7 and 8. So summarize the most important concepts, add some key takeaways, and write in a tone that's clear, neutral, and appropriate. From there, then once all of your additional instructions are in, we can just click Generate. So very quick, easy setup, and then Edcafe AI will begin creating that summary. So we can see here we have a summary of the file with different headings and bullet points, including any specific instructions that you added in your additional instructions. So we have all of that info for our study guide. Plus, all of this document is editable. So you'll see that we have this toolbar up at the top, so that way you can change up your paragraph, you can change the formatting, and then you can also add any links or images that you might want students to refer to or reference in this summary as well. So let's go down to the bottom, and I'm actually going to add in an image here after these questions. So here I can just click image, and in the same way, find on your desktop to add that in. And then now students will be able to see that image once we share it with them. So to share it with them, we first then have to go ahead and click Save, give our file a quick name and save it in our library. And from there, we can share it with our students by either exporting it to our preferred format, or we can also go ahead and share it digitally with them by copying this link and sharing the link with them as well. So then students can read through that quick summary note of that very long PDF with just a little bit of time and effort on your part. One other thing that you can also do is you can also add some audio. So back in our Edcafe file over here, we can copy all of this summary note. And Edcafe also has another tool called AI Speech. So you can paste in all of that information. Let's just remove that link at the top. And I did forget to grab that first letter. There we go. So then you can then go ahead and choose a voice that you want to read out and generate that AI speech. So then this turns that whole summary note into an audio file. So this is great for students on the go, kind of make it as a podcast-esque summary for them to listen to, or to read and listen to at the same time. So let me give you just a quick little listen here.
Deep Sea Life, On the Edge of the Abyss, Student Study Guide.
And that was it. See how quick it was to get a personalized summary of a very long PDF in your classroom? Use Edcafe AI to save time and help both you and your students get the most out of your classroom information. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you don't miss one of our next videos on using EdTech and AI in your classroom.